Atlassian's Jira server shutdown affects finance departments in large organizations. With Jira server's shutdown announcement, finance departments in large organizations have found themselves in a dilemma. They don't have the option to migrate their system, information, and workflows to a cloud-based infrastructure because of a wide range of company and industry regulations. Finance departments in large enterprises cannot rely on third-party cloud solutions. When Atlassian announced that they are shutting down the Jira server, many organizations decided to stop projects with Jira. Instead, they focused on finding an alternative on-premises software deployment. So is there an on-premises Jira alternative for finance departments in enterprises? On a day-to-day basis, finance departments store, handle, and manage a large amount of sensitive data. Since it's very vulnerable, it cannot be stored on a cloud-based infrastructure. That's why the on-premises installation is a critical functional requirement for new software that's going to replace Jira. KanBo software is the best choice for finance departments who are looking for a Jira server alternative. If your finance department desires the security that's delivered by the on-premises infrastructure, along with the cutting-edge cloud technology, KanBo On-Premises offers everything you're looking for. With KanBo On-Premises, you have the ability to address your finance department's unique needs and requirements by relying on a multi-phased solution that includes a range of capabilities. You can deploy KanBo on your native on-site infrastructure without having to compromise any KanBo features. So, what does the KanBo On-Premise solution offer to finance departments? When you think about it, finance departments handle the most sensitive data and jobs within the organization. The sensitivity of the information is manifold when you're working in a large enterprise. That's why such organizations require nothing but the best security that any service can offer. They can't take a risk of relying on a third-party cloud-based solution, which can potentially lead to data breaches. Since on-premises hardware and infrastructure and firewall offer the most secure environment for such organizations, they should definitely go for an on-premises alternative. In any organization, the finance department has to deal with critical information security issues. In many cases, data security concerns are related to complicated administrative work processes that may involve a number of permissions. Finance departments are also responsible for acquiring funds for the enterprise, managing funds within the organization, and planning for the expenditure of those funds of various assets. It's one of those departments of an organization that ensures efficient financial management and financial control. On-premises software offered by KanBo is the best solution for finance departments considering the security measures and regulations that need to be implemented in the finance department. Considering all the above factors, KanBo emerges as a viable on-premises Jira server alternative. You can move your data, processes, and workflows to KanBo on-premises software seamlessly. You can use on-premises IT security to get the most secure and flexible solution. All of your information is always stored and processed locally on-site. No third party ever gets to see your data, even KanBo. Now let's talk about the essential features of KanBo for finance departments. One of the most important features is ultimate security. We know that the security is the top priority for finance departments. That's why KanBo On-Premises takes care of that by sorting and processing all the information locally on your own organizational hardware. Not a single bit of your sensitive information leaves your company and we don't share it with the third parties. Another feature is cost efficiency. Deployment of KanBo allows you to design and deploy cost efficiency strategies that can be utilized to estimate the worth, costs, and benefits of a program, investment, or a project. Another great feature is on-premise applications. KanBo software is installed and operated on computers that are present on the premises of the organization. You don't have to fetch data from a remote facility such as a server farm or cloud. Then we have business continuity planning. With KanBo On-Premises, you get the capability to process strategies and planning for future events by recognizing organizational threats and risks on time. So let's quickly conclude everything. For the finance departments, cloud-based infrastructure is a non-starter. They need to comply with the strictest security standards to ensure the sensitive data remains secure. That's why KanBo On-Premises is an ideal solution for finance departments. It's been developed to provide a trustworthy and secure alternative to Jira Server. The security of the systems, workflows, and processes is vital, especially for large organizations, and KanBo delivers exactly that. Our aim is to deliver solutions that enable you to be productive, ensure the security of your workflows, and be operationally efficient. At the same time, you'll be working within your technology infrastructure. That's what KanBo On-Premises is all about.